Hello, my name is Jessica Lynn Mold, and I'm the owner of Jessica Lynn Original. I wanted to go ahead and take a few moments and just show you our custom rubber stamps. I know we've had a video before where I showed you that we can create them, but I wanted to show you some samples that I've made recently. My daughter is a member of the APA dance group, and every time the girls finish their practice for the day, they'd hand stamp each of the girls with a stamp. So in the past they had snowflakes and other really cute little stamps, and I talked to the owner, who is an amazing coach and entrepreneur herself, and she and I kind of decided, hey, let's make some custom stamps. So these are the stamps that we made. Now you can see it's got their logo on there. We've got some good cute little sayings, you know, dance superstar. Each one of these is professionally created. It is red rubber, and you can see they're professionally etched, so they'll make a beautiful stamp. So I just wanted to show a couple of these off to you so you can take a look at them. So I want these to be so cute. The kids will love it because it'll match the logoing. And we're going to be working on some additional stamps for her. But just know that we do create custom rubber stamps, not only from your logos, but from your art. As the artist and owner of Jessica Lynn Original, I draw all of the art that you see. So, for example, we've got other red rubber stamps, like this adorable Chihuahua. I drew that. So if you were looking for a custom rubber stamp of your pet, or you were like, I have this dream stamp in mind that I can't find anywhere, send me an email. I would love to try and work with you and see if we can put together something amazing. See, another one I've got here, this is a Brentwood cheerleader. So you can see these are all red rubber. So these are all professionally created. They're all professionally etched. Take a little closer look, you can see. So these are much more like the stamps you're used to seeing in the store. Just know that we offer traditional stamps as well as the clear stamps. I've got one more sample here. Here's a Shih Tzu. So you can see again, there's my art that I drew. And then we went ahead and created that as a red rubber stamp. Okay. So what are these used for? Typically, you could say, well, I would use them to make cards or scrapbooking. Now, this is for a business purpose. So if you have a small business and you don't have a lot of money to do branding, this is a wonderful way to do it. Investments, you know, are much smaller than if you were going to have to buy all your stationery and everything like that. So if you have a logo for your small business or your Etsy store or your eBay store, and you want to be able to brand all of your marketing, send us a message. Send us your logo. Let's see what we can do for you. Thank you again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this little video, please subscribe. I've got a bunch more coming. Also, don't forget, we're going to pop up another video in just a moment, and that video is actually how to order one of these custom red rubber stamps. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. I look forward to working with you.